Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. This is our third video in this month of April 2021. And today we have entered into the next month, May 1st. So we will see the performance of yesterday's calls. So as you all know, we are following a single indicator for all the market. Let it be BSE, NSE, MCX, even Forex also, this indicator will work. So before I start showing the performance of yesterday, I will show you how our indicator works. It is very simple. You just go to the indicator. After you subscribe to our indicator, go to your favorite. So there your indicator will be there. And the right corner, okay, the extreme right of the indicator, you will see read more. You will see read more. Just click on to that, read more. Then just scroll down. Here it will be mentioned the entire manual is there. The entire manual is there. Whenever you are in doubt, please come back to this page and read it again and again until you get clear knowledge about this indicator. Okay. What we are telling, this indicator is named as MST D-Core Basic Version 1. And it can be used for all the markets, but these levels work well for crude oil. It means that we have been testing this crude oil, this indicator for crude oil for more than 6 years. And we have found 76.8 to 88% of the success ratio. Now this let us see how to use this MST core basic level. It is very simple, only two level. What is two level? Buy and sell. So in the morning after 9:35, okay, after 9:35 MCX, enable first buy and first sell signal. First buy and first sell signal in the indicator settings. You can keep the time frame by default 3 and normal candlestick. Don't keep Heikin-Ashi. Normal candlesticks and time frame on the chart is 3 minutes and time frame outside the chart indicator is default 1 day. Now you have to wait for the market to move either side. If the market is moving towards the buy, go for the buy entry. Take the buy entry and ignore the sell entry. If the market is going towards the sell side, take the sell entry and ignore the buy entry. Once buy activated, then enable the stop loss and target. So target is mentioned in the green line and your SL is there in the red line and entry will be in the blue color line. That's all. This is the strategy. Suppose if SL hit in the first entry, suppose imagine you have taken the first buy and instead of giving the target in the first buy, your SL is hit. So that time what you have to do, we have to go for the reverse entry. That reverse entry we are calling as second sell. If you had taken first buy, your reverse entry will be second sell. If you have taken first sell, your reverse entry will be second buy. That's all. So in that way only we have given the SL also. So if we first call SL triggered, you have to take the double lots in the second call to recover loss 1 lot and for profit 1 lot. So we are telling once your first call SL is hit, go for the reverse entry with the double lot. If you have taken initially 1 lot, you will have to take 2 lot. If you have taken initially 2 lot, you will have to take 4 lot. So it is a doubling the order. If second call also SL triggered, then book loss and take rest. Don't go for the third entry. Okay. If your second call also SL hit, chances are there. We are not telling every day you will get a profit. Okay. There are chances you will get SL hit for both the side. So that day what you can do, just book the loss, accept the loss and take rest. You can recover the loss tomorrow. Suppose you are telling I'm a very risky trader. I have huge investment. I don't want to book loss. Okay. If you are such a person, then what you can do, take 4 lot. Take 4 lot after 2 times SL hit. To recover the loss, 3 lot will be used, and to book the profit for the day, 1 lot will be used. Again, there are chances to lose all the 4 lot also. Okay, but maximum number of time, if the double SL hit, then the third entry will give the profit maximum number of times. If we have good capital, okay, suppose you have 10 lakhs rupees or 15 lakhs, crores, even 5 lakhs also. Initially, instead of taking 1 lot, you can take 3 lot, and you can keep booking the targets at each target. Book the first lot at the first target, second lot at the second target, third lot at the third target, fourth lot at the fourth target, and keep revising the stop loss. After the first target, keep the stop loss to cost. Even if it is coming down, you will not lose. Already you have booked 1 lot at the first target. You will be in a profit of 40 points. If it is coming down to cost, you will be exiting all the remaining lots so that you will not book the loss. Already you will be in the profit only. But here importantly, if SL hit in the first entry, you will have to take the double lot in the second lot. Suppose if you are assuming you are taking 4 lot, and the second entry, you have to take the 8 lots. If you have taken 3 lots in the first entry, you will have to take the 6 lots in the second entry. Okay, you should not hesitate to take. If you are taking 1 lot in the second entry and 4 lot in the first entry, then you will lose. Overall, you will lose. If you cannot follow this daily without any emotional feelings, then trade in only 1 lot and book the profit at the first target and exit from the market. So this 9th point is very, very important. Okay, again and again you read this. If you follow this method with discipline every day, you will never face any loss overall. Okay, we are emphasizing the word overall. So overall, you will not face the loss if you are following this strategy with the discipline. Don't stop trading if 1 or 2 days SL hit. There are chances 1 or 2 days also continuously SL will hit. So that day, what you should not do? Third day, you should not stop trading. Third day also, you should keep trading continuously. So far we have incurred maximum intermittent loss of rupees 24,000 continuously. 24,000 continuously in a month. But overall in a month, we have got minimum 20%, 40% of the investment. Trade every day to get decent profit on a monthly and yearly basis. Clear? Next, how to keep the SL for the core entry. How to keep the SL for the core entry. I will explain with one diagram, so it will be very easier for you. So this is our buy entry and this is our sell entry. So here we have taken buy. Say it is buy. Now we are waiting for the target. So this is our I will put it in green. So this is our target. And this is our target. Now this is our buy entry and this is our SL. This is the SL entry and second sell. This is our first buy. So now imagine yesterday market has touched 4282. Yesterday what happened? Yesterday scenario 4282 was the buy entry. So exactly market has opened somewhere and it has touched the 4282. Then it has reached some 22 points. We have got the profit. We got some 22 points profit. After that, what happened? After reaching 22 points profit, it has reversed. It has touched our stop loss. So what was the stop loss? The stop loss was 4743. The entry was 4782. So this was our entry. Now, since yesterday market has touched our first buy got activated, we have to wait for the target with an SL of 4743. So SL we didn't get the target yesterday. Only we got the 22 points. Then we got the SL entry. So now at this point, this red level, this red line is our stop loss, and that is the place where we have to reverse our trade immediately, or you have to put the pending order in advance. So here you will be taking 2 lot. Here you will be taking 2 lot. Now the first buy entry will become your SL. This will become your SL. So your entry will be at 4743 and your SL will be 4782. And your target is 4704. 4704. Clear? Your target is 4704. Now we have taken 2 lot. Exactly our target hit. So 1 lot for recovering the loss and 1 lot for booking the profit. So yesterday our trade got over. We were in the profit of some 40 points profit. This is very simple. Once again I explain. Please concentrate. So we have to enable 4782. We have to enable the first buy and the first sell. Yesterday market has opened in between and it has come down initially. Then our first buy got activated and our target is, what's the target? I will see. Some 4810 something will be there. Some 40 points you can add. I don't exactly have to check. So assume that this is some 4810 is the target. I will show you on the chart after this explanation. I will show you on the chart also. Suppose no, it didn't give the 20. It didn't give the target of 40 points. So it gave only 22 points profit. Then directly it went down to hit our stop loss and we booked a loss. Then at the place of say SL, that is where our second sell, that is a reverse entry is there at the SL price of 4743. There we have to take 2 lot for the target of 4704. So target hit, our trade over. Yesterday we booked the profit. That's all. There is one more trick here. There is one more trick. The trick is whenever we are in a profit of 15 points profit, okay, in a crude oil, especially in crude oil, what you can do, revise your stop loss to cost to cost. Suppose say yesterday 4782 buy activated, we got 22 points profit. So that time we kept our SL 4743. The moment we are in a profit of 15 points, move your stop loss to cost, that is 4782. And it is moving above 15 points, no? Then you can move your stop loss to some 4790, some 5 points above. Even if it is coming down, so it will be hitting at 4790, you will be in a profit of 8 points. Then it has gone down. We are not in a loss. Once second sell also activated, you can go for the re-entry. So now this way you can book our full profit. So this is another technique. But simply if you want to follow, take the buy entry, wait for the target. If SL hit, go for the reverse entry. That's all. There is no other changes in it. There is no other changes in it. So this is what we have to work. And one more thing, people are asking, sir, how to use this indicator for trading in the stock market? Okay, stock. So what we are telling, select stocks at 9:31 a.m. from the top gainers for buy entry, and select stocks at 9:31 a.m. from the top losers for sell entry. If you are going for buy entry, just ignore the first buy, ignore the first sell, directly go to second buy. If you are choosing top losers, then directly go to second sell. That's all. So this is how you have to trade in the stock cash market, or futures also you can trade. You will get profit very quickly and consistently you can make the profit. Okay. And before doing this, please back test for your confidence, then you can start trading. So hope it is clear how it is working. I will show you now on the chart. Okay. Now, so what I said, yes, we have to enable first buy and first sell. And we have to wait for the entry. So yesterday market has opened here. If market has touched 4821 in the beginning, then we have to go for the sell. Since market has touched the 4782, buy got activated. What activated? Buy got activated. Now we have to remove the sell entry. Remove the first sell. Then add the second sell. First buy and second sell. Why second sell? Suppose if first buy SL hit, we have to go for the reverse entry immediately. And in the second sell only we have the SL. Okay, that is why we have built it. So now yesterday what happened? So buy activated. So here buy activated and it has reached some 4805. This was the high and this high not broken. Okay, then it has reversed. Suppose if you are revising the stop loss, you are in a profit. If you are not revised the stop loss, you will be in loss. So here we booked our loss at 4743. At the same time, we have taken 2 lots at 4743. See here, it has broken, then it has retested. One time it is rejected, again retested. One more time it is rejected. It has formed the double top. It is another confirmation entry. Then we have got the sell entry here, 2 lot and first target immediately done at 4704. So this is our trade yesterday. We booked the profit, we exited. Though we were in loss. Okay, initially we were in loss of 40 points something. At the end of the day, we are in a profit of 40 points. So that is why we are telling you how to keep sufficient fund. You have to keep sufficient fund. Okay, this is in case of crude oil. Now, what about the other script? I will show you few script. For example, so I will select nickel. I will select nickel. So nickel, what you have to do? Initially, go here and select first buy and first sell. And check what happened in the market in the morning. Market has opened here. If it had reached here first 1302, then we could have sold. Since it has reached down at 1290.5, now we should be in a buy. So what we have to do? We have to cancel the sell order and enable the second sell for targets and the reverse entry. So now buy activated and our targets is 1300. This is our first target. So exactly done. So after first target, we have to remove your stop loss to cost. So here you will stop loss will be. Then you have to wait for the second target. Now you have to move a stop loss to cost. So next, we have to wait for the third target after moving our stop loss to second target, first target, third target. I will explain once again. Little confusion. See, our first buy activated. We have to wait for the target with this SL. Once target is hit, move your stop loss to cost. The remaining 2 lots you can book for. Then once second target is hit, move your stop loss to first target. Now we have to wait for the third target. Yesterday it high made 1320. We missed the third target by 2 points and market ended at 1316. So now we can consider this 1316 for profit from 1290 to 1216. How many points? 10 plus 16, 26 points we have got the profit. Since the third target is not done exactly, we can consider the market closing price. Actually, market closing price for intraday is this one. This high. What is the high? 1318.5, which means 28.5 we have got the profit. At 1120, the intraday will be closed. So we can consider this green candle at least 1318.3. So we have got some 10 plus 18.5, 28 points profit we have got yesterday. So 28.5 means how much profit? 28 into 1500 rupees. So if you calculate yesterday alone, 28,000 into 1500, it comes to 42,000 profit. And in crude oil yesterday, what happened? 4743 minus 4704, 39 points profit we have got in crude oil. So crude oil we got profit 3,900 rupees after recovering the loss. Okay, this is after recovering the loss. So nickel we got 28 points and we got the profit of 42,000, and crude we got the profit of 3,900. Now let us see the other script also. Let us see for other script. So whichever script you want to trade, you can trade. There is no restriction. The only condition is you have to follow every day. If SL hit, go for the reverse entry. So now I select the copper. For copper also same. Okay. First go to settings, select the first buy and second sell, and check which one got activated. First buy got activated. So remove the sell order. So go here and remove the sell order and enable the second sell. Suppose if SL hit, you should be ready for this reverse entry. So now what is the condition? This is your entry, this is your stop loss, and this is your target. What happened? After entry, it has come down for few points. Don't worry, no panic. We have to wait with the stop loss and target. Now target hit. How many points we have got? 754.5 to 760.65. So 4.115 paisa we have got the profit. So the profit of 4.15 into 2,500. So per lot for first target, we got the profit of 10,375. So we have booked the profit 10,375. So second target did not come. Okay, second target we have not reached. So what we could have done after first target, we will be revising our stop loss. So the revised stop loss hit at the cost to cost. So we will consider only the cost to cost, only the first target. So copper 10,375, but actual profit, if we say here, how many points we have got? What is the high? 763.95 from 754.5 to 754.5 minus 763.65. So we got some 9.15 points profit. So 9 into 2,500. That is 22,500 rupees profit. 22,500 rupees profit. The high made. Okay, if you are calculating only the target, that is 10,375. If you are calculating overall move, it is the 22,500. So it is up to you. Okay, whichever target you want to book, you can book. So we have seen copper, nickel, crude oil. Now let us see natural gas. Again, see in natural gas, again we have to enable the first buy and first sell. So since first buy got activated, we have to remove the sell entry and we have to enable the second sell for the reverse entry. We should be ready with the reverse entry. See the perfection exactly at our level, it has reversed. Okay, then it has touched our points again. Then it has given first target, second target, almost third target is done. Our third target is 219.8, but the high made 219.5. So how many points we have got? From 214.6 minus 219.8, 0.5. So 3.9 points you have got the profit. So 3.9 into 1,250, 4,875. MG we have got 4,875. But as per target, how many points we have got? 218.1. So we have to do minus 1 point. So minus 1, that is minus 1,250. So we have got 6,125 rupees profit as per the target. Because we may not be knowing till what point it will go, since it has reversed, we cannot calculate this move. We will calculate only up to second target. So all these targets, all these values I'm calculating only for the single lot. Okay, if you want to trade multi lots, you will get the more profit. So next I will show you Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also it will be, for Bank Nifty also it will work. Bank Nifty, spelling mistake. Bank Nifty. You can trade in spot, you can trade in the features also you can trade. Okay, so now we have to enable first buy and first sell. So what happened, you can see yourself, first buy is here, not activated, sell got activated. So we have to go to settings and remove the first buy and enable the second buy. What for second buy? Because we may not be knowing what will be the market. Suppose if we SL hit in the first buy, then we have to go for the reverse entry. So yesterday what happened? Buy activated, first target done. So if you have booked a profit, that is well and good. Again it went up, then it has come down, first target done here, second target done, and it is almost nearing to our third target. So how much profit now? From 33,507 to 32,966, 541 points profit. 541 into 25. So I'm calculating a total move as per the target. Okay. So if you are booking only first target, that also good. That also you will get overall good profit. 541 into 25, 13,525. You will get profit of 13,525 per lot. Then let us see for the Nifty. See, single indicator will work for everything. But thing is, you have to trade every day without any stopping. It's not stop trading in between the trading days. See here. So exactly our sell got activated. Actually, we missed it by 1 or 2 points, but we have a concept of buffer. So 3%. So 300 maximum risk, you can take 300 rupees extra. So since most of the people are trading in the options, what we are telling, whenever market is going nearby the buy sell entry, you take this premium as the put option. So 14,893. So you take 14,900 put option buy. So you'll be taking here. So you don't have to wait for the exact level, but you can wait. So exactly 14,900 put option if you had bought, then first target done, almost second target done. So you calculate the value, how many points you have got in the 14,890 minus, what is the low? 14,664. 14,664. So 226 points we have got, and per lot it is 75 rupees. So the profit is 16,950. So Nifty 226 points into 75, and the total profit 16,950. Even if you are booking 2,000 rupees also, it is a good, right? I'm just for the strategy explanation, I'm showing the entire move. Okay, what else you want to see? Whatever script you want, you can say. I can keep on showing you because it will work for all the market. And if you want to see the Nifty Finance service, that also I can see, but buy not sell not activated. So first buy would have activated and SL hit. I think second sell. SL not hit. It is missed by 1 or 2 points. So for Nifty Finance, it is SL hit, but previous day we got the profit. So previous day we see exactly sell got activated. Minutes. So here you can see sell got activated, target done. Sell activated, target done. So here yesterday in Nifty cases we got loss. Okay, this is up to Nifty Finance, and whatever other script you take, so everywhere you will get the profit. But again we are telling, we are not telling, oh, every day you will get the profit. Overall you will get the profit. What else we have? Crude oil, nickel, zinc also we can see it was giving some nice profit. So let us enable first buy and first sell and see which one has activated. So first buy got activated. So now we will remove the first sell and second sell. See here, first buy got activated here exactly, and first target done, and second target also exactly done. So how many points we have got? From 229 to 233. So almost 4 points. 4 points means 20,000 rupees for one lot. For one lot, it is 5,000 rupees. So since it is 4 lot, since it is has given 4 points, so we could have got the 4,000 rupees profit. So similarly here, previous day, buy got activated, 2 targets done, and yesterday sell activated and target done. So this is the place where sell got activated and target done. So I'm not calculating this zinc also. So I have calculated only up to this. So nickel, copper, NG, Bank Nifty and Nifty. So we cannot trade in every script. So we are restricting ourselves by trading crude oil and the Bank Nifty. Only we are trading crude oil and Bank Nifty. If you want to trade nickel, you can trade. If you want to trade in copper, you can trade. If you want to trade in NG, you can trade. If you want to trade in zinc, you can trade. It depends on you. But this is a multi-purpose indicator. So hope it is clear. I have explained the concept from the basic to advanced level. So if you calculate the profit, how much it comes totally for Bank Nifty, 541.5 into 25, 13,525, and natural gas it is 16,950, and nickel it is 42,000. And for crude oil it is 3,900, and for copper it is 22,500, and for NG I will calculate only up to the target 4,875. So the total profit yesterday excluding zinc, okay, if I add zinc it becomes 1,23,750. 1,23,750 yesterday profit. 123,750 including zinc. If I don't include the zinc, then it is 1,03,750 yesterday profit. So whichever you want to trade, you can trade it. So we have been looking at zinc also for a few days. So we will add zinc if you want, otherwise we'll ignore for calculation. So hope it is clear. It is very easy. Everything is given in the indicator itself. You can go through it. Whenever you have a doubt, go here at the right corner is select this manual and you can read what to do. Everything is neatly, it is given, right? So thank you. Thanks for watching. And whatever doubts you are having, please ask. And today we have arranged one doubts clearing session at 11 o'clock. So this indicator we have priced now at only 15,000 rupees with lifetime validity. And we are in the process of making an algo for this indicator. Once we have made the algo for this indicator, the lifetime validity will not be available for the new customers. So whoever has got already, they will be having the opportunity to continue for free for the lifetime. Okay. And once the successfully the algo is implemented, we will start charging only 5,000 rupees per month. So automatically depends on your investment, the algo will take trade for you. Because you may be trading in crude oil, you may not be trading in a zinc, but the algo will trade in everything if you want. If you select whichever script you want to give for trading, you select the script, enter the amount, enter the number of lots to be taken by the robo, then everything taken by the robo. So at the month end, you will be in a huge and good decent profit. So this is how we are trying, but the making algo is more complicated because we have used so many conditions. That is why we are facing some difficulties in making an algo. So once it is done, then we will go for the automated trade. So thank you all. I once again request you all to please subscribe to our channel and like, share to all your trading friends, and whoever is in loss, so ask them to subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel. And we are giving free calls also in the Telegram group, so you can make use of it. And slowly you start trading, earn the profit, recover your loss, and be a happy trader and become a professional trader. Thank you all.